but then hello, my name is Juhi, and in today's video we are going to get ready with me for Diwali. And by the background it all gives festive vibe and Diwali vibe. First we are going to select the outfit, then we will do makeup, and then we will do the hairstyle. So yeah, let's get into the video. So right now I'm wearing this yellow shirt with olive green trouser and this cute sleeper. So I brought this shirt and the trouser from Reliance Trend. I've also made a Reliance Trend haul video. So if you guys want to check that out, do check the description box. I have already added in the link. So last year की तरह मैंने इस बार भी दिवाली की कोई शॉपिंग नहीं करी. एंड मोमेंट पे मुझे हमेशा याद आता है कि मैंने दिवाली के लिए एक भी आउटफिट नहीं लिया है. सो लास्ट ईयर मैंने मिक्स एंड मैच किया था एंड मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था जो मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पर डाला है. आई विल पुट अ वीडियो ओवर हियर एंड ऑल्सो डू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम फॉर रेगुलर अपडेट्स. एंड राइट नाउ ऑल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू डू द मिक्स एंड मैच फॉर द आउटफिट. So these are the three bottom wear I have selected. So the first one is this in black color. ये एक प्लाजो है और इसका वर्क तो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. Look at the work. This is the sharara and wait, let me show you. Alright, this is the sharara we have. Next we have is the lehenga और ये गोल्डन कलर में है और इसके साथ मैंने लुक एट माई ब्लाउज कैसे पड़ा हुआ है. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज द ब्लाउज आई हैव. सो बेसिकली ये जो ब्लाउज है मैंने 12th क्लास में बनवाया था फॉर माई फेयरवेल एंड आई डोंट नो कि मुझे फिट पड़ेगा अब कि नहीं. और इसकी स्लीव्स मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है. लुक एट द स्लीव्स मैन. नेट में है इसकी स्लीव्स और एंड में मतलब अगर आप ये पहन लो तो आपको हैंड में कोई भी एसेसरी नहीं पहननी पड़ेगी. आई थिंक ये बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है इस पर क्योंकि इसकी स्लीव्स पे ब्लैक कलर का है और ये बहुत प्यारा जाएगा इस पर. तो आई थिंक मैं ये पहनूंगी. गोइंग टू वेयर दिस गोल्डन दुपट्टा. सो दिस इज द होल आउटफिट. Also of this blouse. So I've already prepped my skin with this Pond's cream. Now I'm going to prep my lips and that is very important. So recently I got these products and few are my absolute favorite. And the first one is Choco Crush Lip Balm and second is Body Butter in the Lavender Slush. And let me show you the product from inside. This is how it looks like. It really makes my body so soft and smooth. Next favorite is my Rose Rewind Lip Scrub and it also have a very beautiful fragrance. And this is the last product which is also my favorite and it's a Royal Upton. I really like this product too. These all products are natural, homemade and paraben free. I will put her page over here so you guys can definitely try one of these my favorite because I absolutely love it and recommend you too to try it. And yeah, do follow that page also. Now I'm going to apply the face primer. You only need tiny amount of it. Apply this on your open pores and rest light to your face. Today I'm going to mix these two foundation. One is the MAC and second is the Maybelline. MAC is the full coverage foundation and I'm adding Maybelline for the shine. So I'm going to add these two products. You only need one drop of the MAC foundation. Next I'm going to add the Maybelline one. Mix it well. Now I'm going to use the MAC sponge to blend all the foundation. To get the flawless base, blending is only the key. And whatever is remaining on the sponge or back over your hand, use it on your neck. Next I'm using the concealer and it's from the Maybelline. So it totally depends upon you कि whether you have to apply the concealer before the foundation or after the foundation. There is no thumb rule. I'm also going to hide my acne spots. And before my face gets greasy, I'm going to apply the compact, and I'm using the Gabrini Professional Matte Powder. You can use any compact powder you have. Now I'm going to do the contouring, and for that I'm using K Beauty Contour Stick. If you don't have the contouring stick, you can definitely try the brown color from your eyeshadow palette, and you can choose the light tone or the dark tone depending upon your skin tone complexion. So I'm just going to blend this out. Now I'm going to use the blush, and it is from Maybelline, and this brush is from PAC 265. Basically I just apply my blush like this, like doing the dab process. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and for that I'm using Nykaa eyebrow pencil stick. Basically I just fill my eyebrows. I do not give a shape because I already have a good shape. And in last video I have shared with you like how I do my eyebrow at home. Now coming to the eyeshadow, I'm using this palette, Revolution palette. It has so many beautiful colors. So first I'm going to apply this cream eyeshadow. Now I'm going to apply the pink color from this palette. I don't know in this camera are you able to see the exact color. Like I have put a lot of pink, but I think the camera is not picking the exact amount I have applied. So yeah, I'm not applying too much of pink. Now we are going to the next step. Now we are going to apply the glitter on our eyes because अगर दिवाली में glam look नहीं किया तो क्या किया? So for that I am using the baking highlighter from In Color. Basically this is a highlighter. I highlight this, I mean my cheekbones. For the eye look I'm also using this, but before that we are going to apply some concealer so that our highlighter can be more highlighter and look more glam. So let's do it. Take your concealer and we are not going to do the cut crease or anything. We are just going to apply on the center of the eyelid. Just a little bit. Just see how beautiful this highlighter is. Can you see? It is so pigmented and this is one of my favorite highlighter. Now we're just going to tap over the concealer. And I'm also going to blend this out little bit so that there is no harsh line or exactly we can see. Now again we are going with the pink eyeshadow. I'm taking this cream color. Going into circular motion. With a flat brush, I'm taking this cream color and applying it on my lower lashes. Now taking the pink color and joining it with the outer corner. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. And now I'm going to apply the eyeliner. Now I'm going to apply the mascara. Now I'm going to apply the kajal. This is the last step for the eye makeup. Now I'm going to apply the highlighter. At the center of my nose. At the cheekbone. Also under my eyebrow. Coming to the last step for whole this makeup look is the lipstick. and I'm using My Glam Lip in the shade 01FPO. I've also made a video on festive lipstick under 500 rupees. If you want to check that video too, we'll add the link in the description box. And your makeup is done. For the accessory, I'm going to wear this beautiful neck piece. It's from Tanishq. This is so delicate and beautiful. I kept everything simple because I just want to highlight my makeup. So that's why I kept the earrings and the neck piece very simple and sober. And अब हम hairstyle करने वाले हैं, तो let's begin it. A small cute puff. And attach it with a tic tac pin. What do you think about this hairstyle? So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this video very useful. Give this video a big fat thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to comment down below if you want such more videos, and subscribe to my channel now and press the bell icon